Hamlet. A very small village. Example, I live in a hamlet with only a few houses. Panchayat. A village government in India. People vote for leaders who decide things like building schools. Example, the village leaders, called Panchayat, chose to make a new school for the kids. Thatched roof. A roof made of dry plants like straw. Example, the old cottage had a charming thatched roof. Footpath. A narrow path for people to walk. Example, we followed a footpath through the woods. Pasture. A field where animals like cows graze. Example, the sheep were in the green pasture. Well. A hole in the ground that gives fresh water. Example, the village drew water from the well. Orchard. A place with fruit trees. Example, we picked apples in the orchard. Milking shed. A building to milk cows or goats. Example, the farmer goes to the milking shed every morning. Blacksmith forge. A place to make metal tools. Example, the blacksmith worked in the forge. Village square. The center where people gather. Example, the festival was held in the village square. Pond. A small area of still water. Example, children play by the pond. Grain silo. A tall structure to store harvested grains. Example, the farmer stored wheat in the grain silo. Village green. A space for outdoor activities. Example, people play sports on the village green. Grist mill. A mill to grind grains into flour. Example, the grist mill produced fresh flour. Hedgerow. Rows of shrubs forming a boundary. Example, birds nested in the hedgerow. Stile. Steps to cross over a fence. Example, we climbed over the stile to enter the field. Windmill. A structure using wind for power. Example, the windmill generated electricity. Hearth. The area around a fireplace. Example, they sat by the hearth on a cold night. Countryside. The open land and farms outside of towns. Example, we took a walk in the beautiful countryside. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.